Several folks that have seen the Sysmon videos have expressed interest on having BigFix deploy Sysmon. I mean, they have thousands of machines. They don't want to be doing this manually, even though the steps are described in the videos. One of the videos, they've been asking, hey, can BigFix do this? And of course, it can. So let me show you how we actually did that. First, we start by showing that here on their services on the machine, if you have Sysmon running, you will see Sysmon in here, which we don't see because it hasn't been installed. We're going to do that. So I'm here on the BigFix console, and I actually put on the same VM the Fixlet. This Fixlet, you can get it from two sites, and both there are links in the video description section of this video. One is the BigFix community site, and the other one is the box account, the box folder that we keep for this process. So next thing that you need to do is launch the BigFix console. And you need to import this new Fixlet into the actual BigFix console itself. So, and here we see the Win7 is actually this machine here in the back that we just show. And we're gonna, this process is very simple. We're gonna do import. We put this on a desktop, which is right here. And this is the one, deploy install Microsoft sysinternals Sysmon. Okay. And I'm gonna make a few comments about it. So the first thing is I'm gonna click in here to have it import. And this may take couple of minutes for the BigFix system to have it ready. But if you want to understand how this works, you can go into the details, and you see that in the relevance it looks for the appropriate version of Windows according to the Sysmon documentation, and make sure that it's not there. And then you see in here the beautiful thing on this Fixlet that Arman wrote is that he put all the same tuning that we specified, and first of all, it downloads the official version of Sysmon from the Microsoft site. It checks on the hash to make sure that it's the right one, and then it goes into the Swift from security and download the Sysmon config tool, and it has it set up exactly as we put it in the video. Should you want to change any of these, you click here on the edit button, and you actually click on the action tab and go into the specific section should you want to change any of these. Okay, so very nicely done. Another point to mention is that when you click here to deploy the action, you are accepting the EULA that you see when you install this manually. It's important to actually see this. So we click here to deploy this action, and the machine that is applicable is the Win7 machine that we just showed before that doesn't have the Fixlet. So the first thing that the BigFix server will do is we would download it, as I mentioned before, download all the stuff from the official sites. So here they are downloaded, and so should anybody else wants to install this, then you don't have to do the download again because it already has it. And bang, it's done. It's very, very, very easy and simple. And if we actually refresh here, we actually see that Sysmon has been installed by BigFix.